Is in the mobile repairing. Chemical and Suji Mimi. Okay, let's start then. Today we are going to see the how basically motherboard work and what are the different component in it and what are their uses. Can anyone just tell me what are the different motherboard component we have in our mobile and how a basic motherboard work? Like its blueprint, what is the basic blueprint, like the different component and how the current flow, how the battery operate. Does anyone know about it? A different component like resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor.
No, I'm actually new to this. I'm learning right now.
Okay, so you are learning right now.
Yes.
Great. Okay, so let's start. We'll keep the class very short and let's see what we have today. Okay, so let's understand the motherboard, how it works through a simple basic diagram. And those who
Okay.
want the today class video, please drop your number, WhatsApp number with country code. We'll send you the video after the class. Okay. We'll send you the video after the class. Okay. Let's start. So we have Barik Venture, and how many students are there right now? So we have Manas, then Sun Wansunga, Emmanuel, Chenical, Bariki, Tambo, and Miss Mimi. Okay, let's start. So just imagine a mobile motherboard as a city. So to city to functions, what are the different things we need? First of all, the most important thing we need is the power supply to the city. So that the electricity is more like a power plant. Similarly, that power plant can be compared, that power plant can you compare with the battery in the mobile section. Okay. And that is and that power plant work is to supply the current, to supply the electricity to the city, right? Everyone is like I want like everyone just let's discuss it together, let's understand it better. We'll keep the class very short, it's only 20 minutes, so that we will understand all these three diagrams, the how a mobile motherboard work, how the current flows through the different part. Okay, just imagine a mobile motherboard as a city, and the city, the power supply come from a thermal plant. In the mobile motherboard, it comes from a battery. Okay, now the battery, it does, and imagine the data as a building, network is a radio building, light building, audio building, graphic building, and then there is a CPU. CPU, consider as the head of the city, is more like a mayor. Is more like a mayor of the city, is the head, which controls, which command all the functioning within the city. Okay. So first the power from the power plant, from the battery come to the power manager. That is PMIC. Anyone knows about PMIC? What it do? Yes, Joseph. You will get this material after the class. Just drop your number with country code. And those who join the today class and those who are also in the full course will get this material. Okay. So anyone knows what the PMIC do in the mobile? So the electricity that is coming from the power plant is of the very high voltage and high ampere. So if that electricity directly goes to any of the building in the city, due to the over voltage, it will get damage. Okay. So the power IC, that is the PMIC, its job is to convert the high voltage, high ampere current voltage into it's lower it into lower voltage and lower ampere, and then send it to the different parts of the city, different buildings of the city. Like like from the battery, we get around 3.8 volt, 3.8 volt of current, 3.8 volt voltage and ampere. So that these are the like yellow line. These they does not have the high current as much as the what the voltage is coming from the power plant. It will have the lower because the building cannot tolerate the high voltage and high ampere. It will get damage. So that's why the PM, chief power manager, is more like a transformer. Have you seen a transformer in your city? Have you seen a transformer? How many of you have seen transformer in your city? Guys, just let's learn it together. How many of you see have transformer in your cities?
Yes, we have seen transformer.
And what does transformer do, San Wansunga?
Transformer is just a good. We have a step down transformer and step up transformer.
So transformer, what it does, that whatever the current and voltage that is coming from the power plant, it transfer it take it inside in his control, and then transfer to the different building or poles, right? So that voltage is not as high as what has actually it has came transformer has got. It lowered its value and then send it to the different part of the and the different buildings, so that it does not get damaged. So in the mobile section, we have the different building, different section, that is radio section, data storage. What is the data storage represented in a mobile motherboard? What is its name? Where data is stored in mobile motherboard? Anyone?
RAM.
Yes, eMMC. eMMC store the data. eMMC store the data. Okay, and the different line which you are seeing here, these are the current that is coming out of the power, that is PMIC, and then it is transported to different section. Now some of our students, I have seen that if mobile is not working, what they will do, they will replace the head, that is the CPU. Have you seen anyone doing like that, that if the mobile is not working, they are not understanding what is the problem, they will simply remove the CPU, revolve it and put it back? Have you seen this? Like, have you seen if anyone has in your city doing like this? That they will try to just change the CPU, change the eMMC, and check if the problem has been solved or not. But that is not how it works. So if we have got problem in the radio section, then first we will check the line, the electricity line, that is the blue line, whether it is working or not, if there is any shorting or not, and then we will go inside the building radio section. If that there is a light problem, if there is an audio problem, then we will check that line that is coming to the audio section. If there is any problem with the graphics section, display is not coming out, then first we will check the line that is coming out of the PMIC and going to the graphics building. Okay, so this is the overall like a very top view structure of any mobile. Every mobile work on the same structure, that battery act as a power source, PMIC act as a transformer, and from transformer, current and voltage goes out to the different buildings of the mobile. And CPU, it is the head of all, it's more like the chief president or prime minister of that country. It control everything, it control everything inside that, everything it is in his command. Okay, so now let's go. How many of you have got till here? How many of you have understand till here, that what I was trying to explain through a little real life example? Then we will go to this diagram. and then we will go to this advanced. This is the super advanced version, this is the middle version, and this is the very basic version to understand the mobile motherboard. So how many of you have got understand this one? And if you've got any question regarding this, please let me know. Okay. Okay, so let's come to this. So generally structure is the middle level structure. So how it work? So that we have got a lithium ion battery. The basic voltage of this battery is 3.8 volt. Okay. And the line that is coming from the battery to the PMIC is called VBAT. Okay. Is called the VBAT. That is more like a high, it's more like a rail. It's the current flows very high current in this. And then there is a charging IC and input protection. Before going to the PMIC, power management system, first it will go through the OVP, that is called the over voltage protection. It's more like act as a bouncer or a security guard. It does not allow the high voltage, high ampere current to go inside the city. Okay, so here it is called a OVP IC. How many of you heard about OVP IC? It's act like a bouncer or security guard. It does not allow the high current, high voltage to enter into the system. So that here it is OVP. It's called over voltage protection. And the current that is coming out is called the VBAT. The line which is coming out from the battery is called the VBAT. From VBAT, it goes into the OVP. First check the current is in control within the limit. If it is, then it allow to go inside the city power management system. Okay, now the how it work, power management system again reduce the voltage. First, it's you see here it's giving the current to the CPU SoC. SoC is called the system on chip, and it control the everything. It's more like the CPU, either Snapdragon, MediaTek, or Samsung CPU. So PMIC give current to the CPU, and then CPU give is connected. As you can see, the CPU is connected to the different ICs and system of the motherboard, like the storage, then radio, Wi-Fi, audio, display, and camera modules. And these are the voltage that is required. For the graphic section, it requires the high voltage. So it is coming directly from the PMIC. But the CPU, the current which is giving, it's more filtered. Here you can see it is 1.8 voltage, but the actual voltage that is coming into the city is 3.8. So by coming, so first it goes through the OVP check that the voltage is within the limit. Then it goes to the transformer that is called the PMIC. From there, the different voltage lines, different lines come out. And if there is problem in any of these, example camera or audio is not working, or Wi-Fi is not coming out, or radio like network is not coming, eMMC or RAM is not working, then we will check out the different lines. So this is the second level of understanding of the overall motherboard layout. So how many of you got till here? Any of you got any question? So what I'm trying to explain, how many have got till here? Yes, guys, come on, ask your question. If there is any doubt you're not understanding, please let me know. And those who want the today class video and this graphic design, this PPT, you can please drop your WhatsApp number. So we have other students have also joined, Joseph, Sheriff, and then I can see Benedy. So yes, those who have joined, new brother Augustine Padmore. From which country you have joined? Please let me know. And those who want the today class video, please drop your number with country code. Okay, please drop your number with country code. Okay guys, so let's go to the higher level of the component. Now this is the advanced level of the mobile component. Okay, first is the USB, that is the charging point. And then here it is the PMIC, here it is the CPU, and the different components, that audio, LDO, light, graphics, RF, all those are connected through PMIC and get the current. And system on chip, that is the CPU, control them all. Now the current that is coming from the battery, it is called, what it is called, that is the current that come out from the battery. Anyone? It's called VBAT current, that is 3.8 voltage. As you can see here, the current that is coming off the battery is called VBAT, 3.8 voltage. Now consider this VBAT as a express lane or the highway that allow the current to flow at heavy traffic. High voltage allowed to flow, the heavy traffic is there, so it is wider and bigger. Now once the VBAT came to the PMIC, before that he has to meet this OVP. OVP is over voltage protection. In case the voltage goes high. Yes, Benedy, what question you have? Please let me know what is the question you have.
Yes, my question is this. This structure is only for Android or it can
Currently it's only for the Android, but iPhone is overall working is
be
same.
used?
Okay, this is for basically for Android. This is basically for Android. But this structure, this working diagrams work same with the iPhone also. iPhone has got the similar structure. There is a battery, there is a power management system, then there is a CPU, there is a EMMC, and there are the different control section. Okay, but this layout is especially made for the Android. So yes, how many of you know what is ground? GND, what is ground in mobile and what it does? What is ground in mobile and what it does?
Okay,
Ground
ground is negative.
Okay, so let me explain what a ground is and what it does. So I just explained in the very real life example. You must have used a tap, like from where water come out. In kitchen you must be using a tap for cleaning food, plates, dishes, etc., right? And there is a water tank above your building. From that water tank, that tank is connected to your in your kitchen. From that water came out, and after the washing or the use is done, then water goes in the, where it goes? Anyone? After we have used the water, where it,
Sink.
how it, in
It goes
sink?
to the
Yes.
water.
it goes in through a sink or drain pipe in the ground, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. After and from ground it's come out. Similarly for electricity, when it's come from the power plant, okay, and it goes into the different building and different building use it, now it goes back into the through the drain pipe to the ground. That is the function of ground. So current is like, imagine this is a water tank, okay, and from water tank, water is coming to different building, and different building are using it for cleaning, washing, and other stuff. After it isn't done, water needs to go out in the ground or through the drain pipe. That drain pipe in the mobile is called, what is that drain point in mobile is called?
Ground.
Ground. Yes. So how many of you got understand this analogy, what I am trying to explain?
Yeah.
So how many understand what ground is? Sarif, Benedy, you got it? What the ground is?
Yes,
Okay,
yes, I got it.
great.
First
So
time,
in ground, you see the metal part. The metal part in the mobile, all is ground. Okay, and you can see these silver point. These also act as a ground system. Okay, all the metal part work as a ground. So this is the function of ground. Got it? Now coming to the different lines that we are happening here. Now here in a city, uh, in a mobile, you see there are different component. Like this is component for register. This is for capacitor. So what does the this is coil. This is LDO. So what does the register do? Anyone knows what does it register do? You must have used it in the system.
yes, resistor breakdown, it reduces the flow of charges.
Correct. So in a road, you have seen a speed breaker, right? In a city, there is also a speed breaker. Correct? Everyone must have seen that. That there is in within the city there are different speed breaker. So speed breaker, what it does, that it slows down the traffic. Speed breaker break the traffic, slows down the traffic. So that is the work of resistance in the mobile. It slows down the voltage and ampere, because some element does not need high voltage, high ampere. So before that we use the different registers for that. So registers is like a speed breaker in the city. How many of you getting this, understanding the functioning of register? How many of you understanding the functioning of register? What
Yes.
register do?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
It break down the it reduce the speed of, like speed breaker reduce the speed of traffic. Similarly register reduce the voltage and ampere of the all city. For the component, some cities on some road they need lower voltage, lower amperes, for that register is used. Okay, now what is the function of capacitor? Okay, so let's understand through this. Okay, sorry, let's understand through this. Consider it is a big water tank that is that is above your building. Okay, but still if any of the building, if any of the room you are, you also have water in water bottle, right? Or for drinking you keep in water bottle or some other utensils for drinking. Every time you does not go to tap for taking the water, right? How many of you are using water bottle for drinking? So what a water bottle is doing, it is carrying a very small amount of water for the occasional purpose. So if you are thirsty, you will not always go to the tap. Okay. Similar that function here it is doing by the sometimes some energy is required by some systems. So that energy is stored in small amount by capacitor. Capacitor consider as a water bottle that is containing a very small amount of energy and a small amount of water that might be needed for a specific function. How many of you get it till here? That what a capacitor do? It contain a very small amount of energy, similar like a water bottle. Water bottle consider a very small amount of water. Similarly, capacitor hold a very small amount of energy for specific time. Yes, yes, Emmanuel, you will get the video. You have dropped in your WhatsApp number. Our team will send you there. So, what register do? Just everyone, just recall it, everyone. What is an OVP do? What does an OVP
Okay.
do?
It step down the possible high current flow,
Correct. It's a
high
bouncer
voltage.
of the city. It does not allow high voltage, high ampere to come in the city. Like there must be a security guard in your city that does not allow everyone to enter in a building. Similarly, OVP does the it's a security guard. It does not allow everyone to come in the city. What does the register do? It reduce the speed, like a speed breaker reduce the speed of the traffic, register reduce the speed. And what does capacitor do? It hold a small
Capacity
amount of water, like a water bottle, correct? And what does PMIC do? What does PMIC do?
might transfer voltage and current to other IC,
Correct.
or
It is more like a transformer in the city. It take the high voltage, high ampere current, and then it reduce that voltage, and you can see the different line within the city. This is called VBAT, is more like an highway. Okay, and very expressway where high speed car can go on. But within the city, you have to go within the limit. That lines are narrow lines, narrow, small roads. That road is represented by V-Reg line. You can see here V-Reg. That are different line that is coming out. So V-Reg are the smaller roads where a small traffic will go, not very high as the expressway or the or VBAT take it as a racing track where you can go at the very high speed. But on the V-Reg, the road are narrower, so you have to go at the lower speed. So that is the V-Reg line, and the different V-Reg line are coming out from here. Okay, so last, and then it's 12 p.m. here. What is a ground? What does ground do? What does ground do? Anyone, just let me know what does ground do? What its purpose? Ground is
Ground
yes, yes,
store ground store excess power.
yes. Ground is like a drain pipe. Okay. Whatever current has been came in the city, has been whatever water has been taken out from the water tank, it will go out through a drain pipe. Similarly is the ground. Whatever current has entered into the city, it's need to go out also. It's more like a return ticket. So whatever has entered the current, after with water we have done the washing, clothing, bathing, it will goes down through the drain pipe. Similarly, whatever current has entered, it needs to go out of the city. That is called that drainage line is called the VPH. That drainage line is called the ground. Here you can see we have ground here. Okay, in the this section. Then the metal body, whatever metal body is there in the body, this section is the act as a ground. Okay. So every element is connected somehow to the ground also. And these are the different I2C, MIPI. These are protocol. We will learn about it in the next class. Okay. But how many of you got the today class? I have kept it very short, and I have tried to explain the different mobile motherboard, how the mobile layout work through different diagrams. So yes, guys, how many of you got today class? Do you love the today class? Great, great,
Hello,
great.
hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Yeah, please, I came in late.
Sorry.
I saw the link late just now. I just joined the class now.
Okay, you just joined the class now.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I missed the class.
No worries, no worries. You will get the class recording. So just drop your WhatsApp number with country code, and we will send you the class recording. Class
All
recording
right.
happening.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
You're from which country?
Nigeria.
Okay, Nigeria. Great, great, great. We have our official shop in Nigeria. Let me show you. We have
Okay.
our official part repair shop in Nigeria,
Mhm.
where you can buy the tools,
Oh, good.
where you can get the training. If you're looking for any tools, F64, UFI, you can
Okay.
buy from our local official partner. His name is Aminu Yakabu Numan. Okay. He is from
Okay. You can drop the contact, sir.
sorry.
Can you help me drop his contact?
Drop your WhatsApp number and we will connect you. Drop your WhatsApp number
Oh,
and we will connect with you
all
with.
right, all right, all right.
Okay. And these
I
are
had trained with you in the past, 2 years ago.
sorry.
I trained with you earlier.
Okay, you have joined with earlier. Great, great, great. How was your
Yes,
experience
yes,
with us? How was your experience
yeah,
with?
yes. Just 3 years now, 2003, I think. Yeah,
Okay, okay. How was your experience with us?
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's good, 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 good.
Great, great, great. So we have
When I saw this class now. I just thought, let me just refresh my brain.
great, great. So if you
Because
want
it's
to upgrade,
new.
so we have introduced new topics. There is
Yes,
also a
yes.
new box in the market that is F64. So if you
All
want
right.
any of these box, you want to learn hardware and software, then we provide it online. Online classes is going on as you have joined our classes earlier.
All right.
So those who have joined our classes and those who want to join, there is a offer is going on for the month of December. The fees is $33, but right now those who are in the live class, it will cost you only $29, and that is $4 discount if you join in the live classes. Here we will teach you about the hardware, the software part, which software unlocking, unlock tool, UMT, AMT. These tools you will learn here. plus the hardware also, how to trace a dead mobile, the different components which I am trying to explain now. You will learn all these in our online classes, and lot of students from across globe, more than 20 countries, have joined our classes and grown their business. So yes,
All
guys,
right, sir.
if you want to learn, Nasir, also if you want to learn the advanced topic, then I welcome you in our online classes. Join there and upgrade yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
When is the class coming up tomorrow?
Tomorrow class will come up at 5 p.m. Indian time.
All right, sir.
Okay. So do not miss that tomorrow class.
All right, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
And those who want to join our full course, to join.
I would like you to drop the recording for today.
Yes, yes. Then drop your country code. Then drop your mobile number with country code. Our
All
team
right, sir.
add you there. Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay, great. So how many of you guys want to learn? And how you like the today class? Please give your review on the WhatsApp, on the Google. I have shared you the Google link. And how many of you want to learn more? New Year is just 10 days. After 10 days, we will have 20 days, we will enter into 2026. So in 2026, let's make it something new, learn something new there. How many of you want to learn and upgrade yourself? Nasir, please drop your number also. I would like to. Okay, so how many of you want to become our reseller or partner? Like how this is working? So we are starting another in Ghana also. So this guy is from the Nigeria. We are starting another from the Ghana also. So yes, any of you want to become our official partner in your country, you are most welcome. Learn with us. Let's grow your business to a new level in 2026. Okay, let's grow your business in 2026. I would love to join. Great, great, great. One of your partners is in Central Africa, especially in Gabon. Please drop your number. Mozambique, Muwan Jambi. Please unmute yourself and drop your number with country code, so that I can our team will connect you there. And let me show you, students. Let me give you. Okay, Ghana, great, great, great. So we have a live class offer. We have a live class offer. Those who will join our classes, they will get an extra $4 off. Let me show you. Let me show you how many students we have got from across. So these are few of students. Here we have Sharif from France. This guy is from France.
I'm Kenneth from Ghana.
Yeah, Kenneth from Ghana.
I'm already a student, but
Son Wansanga is there. He's already in the class. He's also doing class with us. Nizar Ram. So student from more than 20 country is learning with us. So I welcome you guys also to learn and grow yourself with. So how many of you want to learn and grow your business? So those who will register during live class, we will give you an extra discount of $4. It will cost you not 33 but $29 only. Those who want to become a partner, please drop your number and we'll talk to you over there. So yes guys, so these are the course topic. Let me show you. These are the hardware repairing course. How to know the motherboard layout, which I am trying to explaining right now. Component, its name and function, how to read schematic, how to troubleshoot, how to diagnose light issue, audio issue, how to revolve an IC, camera issue, how to fix charging issue. If there is no network, how to fix that. Then how to do unlocking and flashing of Android and iPhone both. Will teach unlocking and flashing of Android and iPhone both. It's a 1 month course. $33 only. And those who will join in the live class, they will get $4 extra off. So yes, guys, how many? Sell your tools in Kenya, please. Yes, yes, we are working on it. We are working on it. Yes. See, guys, those who want to a partner, first you have to go through our training program. First, you have to be part of this, and then only you can get our franchisee there in your city. So Samuel, Sanwan Sangha, you are already there in Kenya. Sharif, you have joined the class, or you are in the full course, right? Sharif, Rauf.
Yes, I've been the student already.
Okay, okay. And how was your experience with us? Just please tell everyone else how was your experience with us, what you have learned, like.
All right, to my fellow colleague there, honestly, I can confirm the class have been so interesting. So interesting. You won't blame yourself joining us. Just the
Great,
so
great, great.
wait no further. Please kindly grab your copy. Very applaudable. I must tell you.
Yes, yes, it's very, very feasible. Like in Nigerian currency, it will convert you. It will come around 37,000. In Kenya, in Ghana, it will come around 800 or something, 80 change. So it's a very, just convert on Google from dollar to your local currency and will be in very budget. Okay. Okay, Emmanuel. Hi, can Emmanuel. So you're looking for tools in Ghana? Yes, we are working on that. We will soon provide you the tools there also. Okay. Okay, guys. So yes, hope. How many of you understand the today class? What you have learned today? The things which I am trying to explain. How many of you learned something new today? And how many of you want to learn more? Please, please. We are just ending the class in 5 minutes. So this is our WhatsApp number. If you got any questions, today class video also, you can just WhatsApp there and get the details. So great, guys, those who have learned today and want to learn more. So uh, today we have got an offer. So if you want to join, from not $23, cost fee is 23, but we will give extra $4 off, that is 29. So if you want to register, I will share you the registration link. I will share you the registration link. How many of you want to register now and take this offer? You can pay via credit card or through crypto like Binance or PayPal. Emmanuel, today class is so interesting, is gradual and meaningful. Great, great, great. So I'm sharing you the payment details. So those who want to learn, you can register from there. And today was Serif. I hope it was gradual and meaningful. Great, great. We are trying to explain in the very helpful manner so that you will learn in easy way and upgrade. So yes, this is the link I am sharing you with. How many of you like thank for today class? It was great, 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 Emmanuel. So I've shared you the link for registration. I've shared you the link for registration. and we are live for 2 more minutes. Fees is only $29. Those who will register in the class, after class will over, fee will become $33. So it's very common in budget, very budget friendly. So that let's enter the new year with a new learning, with new information. Okay. So yes, guys, how many of you are willing to take the action and grow yourself? And by the way, how you like the today class, just give your review on the Google. I'm just sharing you the link. This is the link. That is the demo class. That is demo class. Yes. Today is Sunday. Today is a special demo class. Benedict, today is Sunday. So today is a special demo class. But if you want to learn more, learn full, it is a 1 month course where you will learn all these things, which I have shown there.
For me, I already registered for December.
Yes. If you are registered from tomorrow, your full course will start. Today is demo class. Benedict, yesterday, I guess, yesterday you have registered, right?
No, it's not yesterday, but it's last week.
Okay, last week. Okay. Like few students have joined yesterday also. So from tomorrow, your class will start
Yeah.
again at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay, guys. So yeah, guys. And for the yes, you are great. Thank you, Sanwan Sangha. Thank you. Please give your review on the Google. Let me show you how it is done. Just you have to click on it on the link, and you click on the link. You will open page something like this. Here, if you like the today class, just click on the 5 star. If you don't like it, if you've got anything, just add your shop photo also. We love to see your shop photo. Add your shop photos also. Okay, if you don't like the class, give 1 star. If you like the class, give 5 star. Write something about the class and add your picture. Okay, and those who want the today class video, please drop your number with country code. Thanks for the class. Thanks, Tarek. Please drop your number, everyone. Please drop your number with country code. We'll share you the today class video. So I am closing the recording for now.